Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. My name is Kathy. In today's video, I'm gonna make some wood beads with a really cool tassel and then a wood frame from some tumbling tower blocks from Dollar Tree and a puzzle. Stay tuned. I picked up these wood beads and blocks from my local thrift store for $2. None of these beads had holes in them, so I had to drill them myself. I have some of my wood beads that I drilled holes in. It cut me a pretty good sized piece of floral wire. I am going to string these up here on this floral wire. This is temporary. I'm going to string these up so that I can take them out and paint them. I'm going to make my tassels. Now, since my beads are so big and fat, I feel like I need to have a pretty meaty tassel on the end of each of them, so I'm gonna make two. I'm gonna loosely just hold it in my hand and wrap it a bunch of times. Good tight knot. Now let's do this tie at the top so that I'll be able to cut these and make the fringe. I like to wrap it around a few times. It just looks a little bit nicer. Knot. Now after I string my beads, I'll attach it right here to the very end. I have a nice tassel. I have pulled apart all the little pieces, made a really good fuzzy tassel. I'm gonna give it a haircut, a little bit of a haircut. I need to get the better scissors, but okay, I think that'll look really cute. Now to make another. I rolled the beads around, painted the sides that were facing down but didn't get painted. Let them dry a little bit longer, check them to see if I missed anything. Well, I picked my beads up and they came off the wire, so I got a little bit of a mess to clean up. LOL. Well, they might have some grass or dirt or something on them, but they don't look too awful bad. Now to string the beads. For the next project, the picture frame with the cool piece of artwork that's actually a puzzle. Stay tuned. Just the Tumbling Towers game from Dollar Tree. I laid my Tumbling Towers blocks out in the size that I need for the picture I want to frame, and now I'm just going to glue them together. All the gaps with the wood filler. Now I'm gonna get it sanded and get it painted. I put this puzzle together and Mod Podged it, and this is what I'm making this frame for. And as you can tell, every color under the rainbow is under there. So I'm going to use Debi's DIY paint, Debi's Design Diary, and Queen Bee, Mermaid Tail, green or gypsy green, crinoline, which is going to be what my final overall. I'm just going to have the other colors peek through, and Farm Fresh. I'm going to go ahead and get all of my wood strips painted, just with no idea in mind, just throwing paint at it, and then I'm going to do the crinoline over the top of it, and scrape it back a little, sand it back a little so you can see other colors. Now to give the final coat, which will be the biggest part of the color, white. I got all the white painted on, and then I sanded a whole lot of it off. Cleaned the mess up, just hit them all with some clear coat. I cut a piece of foam board out, and now I'm going to glue my frame to it. Phew, it's finally final reveal time. Yep, it's that time of the video when I try to get you guys to like, comment, please subscribe, do something, please. Share, that's something. That'd be a really cool thing. You can share it with your friends. Thanks a bunch for watching. See you guys next week, same time, same place. Junk Shack, baby.